on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Back on the beautiful R1M. Today I'm going to be going on a ride with a subscriber, actually. You guys saw him in the Ducati video. He has a beautiful V4, and we're just going to go on a cruise ride. I don't know, something. And obviously taking you guys along. Sorry, my like thought process when there's a lot of traffic like this is not the best. I'm always like kind of extra cautious that someone will just cut me off. Oh man, I forgot to tell you guys, I cut up my knee again. I hit it and it's open again, and now I'm back to my super custom jeans that I had to massively rip so the jeans don't touch my knees, because it's pretty cut up. Like, even me being in this position with my knee bent kind of like hurts it. It's kind of like opens up the wound. But yeah, can't seem to heal up, man. Something happens every time. I feel like it's either me switching bikes too much, or there's a little too much throttle play in this bike. Oh, there he is. I see someone there. I really need to clean the chain on this bike too. Clean it and actually lube it up more than clean it. Chain isn't that dirty, but it's looking pretty dry, man. How you doing?
What's going on, man?
What's up, bro?
I was thinking you were gonna take the beast.
The H2? I usually take that bike if I have like an actual destination or a meet or something like that. This is more for the daily.
Okay.
The other bike is a little too much to daily.
Daily rider?
Yeah.
All right, cool, man. Yeah, I got your message, so I just gassed up at Chevron.
Perfect. I'm already good on gas and everything.
Good? All right, cool.
Yeah. You making me miss my V4.
Yeah. I know why you rode the RM, so you can do a bike swap. You won't do that with your. You can hear this right here.
Oh yeah, we gotta get the start up.
Yeah. I'll turn my camera on.
Oh. That deep rumble. Me like. All right. That kid shouldn't even be driving, man. good. You guys gotta check out his channel. Until I get a V4, because I'm not going to until hopefully the end of the year. We'll see what happens. He's making me want to get a V4 as soon as possible, to be honest. That bike just looks way too good. Definitely one of the best looking bikes in my opinion. Oh, nice. I just got sprayed with water. Savage. Not a bike hub. You thought it was a cop? Huh? Did you think it was a cop? I thought it was a cop too. I was like, shit, let's take it slow. I saw your signal, that's why. Yeah. Alright, let's go back. I totally thought that dude was like stalking us. Oh, that's like a hawk, falcon, something like that. Yeah, that bike was like kind of like right behind. I looked back real quick and I saw, I think it was a white helmet. And it looks like a similar bike. And he was kind of like staying right behind us. I was like, ah, is he running our plates or something? Your daily mini heart attack. That was fun.
Yeah, that was good.
Besides the little heart attack from the cop lookalike.
Yeah, exactly.
Dude, I saw it real quick.
You know?
Yeah, I saw it real quick and I was like, maybe. Then I saw him kind of like right behind us. I was like, is he like scoping us out?
Yeah, exactly.
And that's when I got suspicious.
That bike, yeah, that's going to be a fun track bike for sure.
Yeah, I like it a lot. It's very, I'm just used to it. I rode this the most. And so I'm just like the most used to it. The H2 is horrible. Like if I rode the H2 today, we wouldn't be doing any of this stuff today. I'd just be cruising or going fast in a straight line. That's all the bike does. Yeah, just like whew.
You're definitely you're in the level 3, dude.
No, I don't think so. I don't think I'm that good. But thank you.
Definitely not level 1.
Definitely not 1. I agree. We'll see. The track is gonna be a lot of fun. Oh, there he is. They're both here. Beautiful bikes. Fun little ride too. I was riding by, so I figured I'd stop by, say hi. Look at that beautiful V4. He's coming to the track too.
Oh shit, really?
So,
yeah. What's November, right? Yeah.
It's gonna be lit. You better get the bike by then. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. And yeah, drop a like, subscribe. Make sure to check out his channel. J-Man. Super fun V4 content. You know, like right behind you. But yeah, thank you. It was a fun ride. I'm ending the video here.
Yeah.
Hi and bye. Alright, peace out.